Hello, children. I welcome you to the bridge course of this academic year, Class 5, Subject EVS, and the topic that I'm going to explain in this video is all about the classification of animals on the basis of their food habits. Animals are classified into three types on the basis of their food habits. They are herbivores, omnivores, and carnivores. So, let me first of all begin with the first type of classification, that is herbivores. Herbivores are the animals that eat only plants and plant products. Okay, and they are called as plant eating animals, are nothing but the herbivores. We all have studied that herbs meaning small plants. Yes, so the animals which depend on plant and their products are known as herbivores. Now let us see the examples for herbivores. Examples for herbivores are cow, goat, deer, horse, gorilla, tortoise, panda, elephant, hippopotamus, capybara, llama, and zebra. Yes, these are the animals which depend on plant and their products. These all animals are categorized in herbivores, isn't it? And now let us see the eating habits of these animals. These herbivores follow a particular type of eating habit. It means they have different types of teeth. So what kind of teeth they well just see, they have sharp flat front teeth to bite their food. Yes, we should remember, children, they have sharp flat front teeth. Their front teeth are very sharp and they are flat. Okay, they are flat in shape and they help to bite their food. These strong and flat grinding teeth, their strong and flat grinding teeth at the back helps them in grinding the grass and leaves. See here, their sharp flat front teeth help the plant or grass to bite. Okay, and their strong and flat grinding teeth which are at the back in the mouth, they help them to grind the grass and leaves into small pieces. Okay, or to make a soft substance which helps them to digest easily. Okay, now let us move to the second type of classification, that is about the carnivores. Carnivores. See here, children, animals that eat flesh of other animals are called flesh eating animals or carnivores. Now, we can say that there are animals which depend on other domestic animals for their food. It means so there are animals which eat flesh of the domestic animals. Such animals are called as carnivorous animals. Let us see the examples for carnivorous animals. In this picture, you can see carnivorous animals like lion, tiger, cheetah, leopard, raccoon, wolf, fox, puma, polar bear, hyena, walrus, badger, otter, crocodile, shark, seal. These are the animals which depend on animals' flesh. Okay, these depend on the flesh of other animals. Okay, let us see their eating habits. These carnivorous animals have long pointed and sharp teeth. These help them to tear the flesh. Yes, they have long pointed and sharp teeth. These help them to tear the flesh. Their strong grinding teeth at the back help in chewing the bones and flesh. As we all know that animals which eat the flesh, they must have long pointed and sharp teeth, because as we know that meat which is covered over the bone to be removed, to To remove from that bone, it requires sharp and pointed teeth. Okay, these help them to tear the flesh, and their strong and grinding teeth at the back helping the chewing the bones and flesh. It means the carnivorous animals have very strong and sharp teeth both at the front as well as back. Yes, now let us see the next category of the animals, that is about the omnivores. Omnivorous animals. Animals that eat both plants and other animals are called omnivores. It means animals which depend both on plant products as well as on the flesh of other animals are called as omnivores. And examples for these omnivores are, see children, the eating habit of omnivores are like they have strong and flat grinding teeth like herbivores. Already we have learnt in the same video that herbivores have flat grinding teeth at the front. Yes, so these omnivores have strong and flat grinding teeth like herbivores and sharp back teeth like carnivores. It means we human beings, you can see in your mouth also that we have strong grinding teeth like herbivores. Yes, like at the back side, and we have pointed teeth also. You can touch and see, you can see on my face that these one, two, three, and 4. These are the teeth which help to tear the flesh. Yes, we also remember children that we human beings are also an example of the omnivore animal, because most of the people are depending both on vegetarian, both on plant products as well as meat of the animals, domestic animals, isn't it? So we can say that these omnivores, and let us see the examples for omnivorous animals. Examples for omnivorous animals are human beings, as I said you just now, chimpanzees, because these depend on plant products as well as small insects also, dog, rat, civet, badger, brown bear, monkey, warthog, coati, spunic, and skunk and squirrel. These are the animals which are categorized under omnivorous animals because they depend on plant products as well as the flesh of other animals. Now let us see the eating habits of these animals. See here, eating habits of omnivores are like they have long pointed and sharp teeth. These help them to tear the flesh. Yes, they have long pointed and sharp teeth. These help to tear the flesh just like carnivores, and the strong grinding teeth at the back help in chewing the bones and flesh. Okay, it means these omnivores depend on, they can have both plant products as well as animal products as their food, isn't it? Remember children that some human beings eat only plant food and they are called as vegetarians. There are some people they follow only the vegetarian food habit, like they depend only on plant products. And there are some human beings which eat both plant food as well as meat. They are called as non-vegetarians. It depends upon the religion and the custom they follow, isn't it? In this video, we have learnt about the types of animals basis of their food habits like herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. Now, let me tell you which points we have to remember after studying this video. Points to be remembered are, children, you have to listen carefully. Herbivores, animals which depend on plants for their food. Yes, animals which depend on plants for their food. Example, cow, goat, sheep, elephant, etc. These are the few examples I have listed. Next, carnivores. Carnivores are the animals which depend only on the flesh of other animals for their food. Examples: lion, tiger, puma, cheetah, etc. Okay. Next, omnivores. Animals which depend both on flesh and plant products for their food are called omnivores. Examples: human beings, dog, cat, bear, crow, etc. Yes, by this video, let us conclude this topic. Thank you, children.